What are the three main causes of earthquake? The three main causes of earthquakes are tectonic activity. The majority of earthquakes are caused by movements in the Earth's crust, which occur as a result of tectonic activity. This can be due to the movement of tectonic plates, which can result in earthquakes when they collide, slide past each other, or pull apart. Tectonic activity can also cause volcanic eruptions, which can trigger earthquakes. Volcanic activity. Earthquakes can also be caused by volcanic activity, such as the movement of magma beneath the Earth's surface, or the collapse of a volcanic crater. These earthquakes are typically smaller and less frequent than those caused by tectonic activity. Human activity. Human activities such as mining, drilling, and the construction of large dams and reservoirs can also trigger earthquakes. These induced earthquakes are typically smaller and less intense than those caused by natural tectonic or volcanic activity, but they can still cause damage to infrastructure and buildings.